Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a TradeLocker account in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on TradeLocker.com. You can also find its link in the description box below. So when you are here on the official homepage of TradeLocker, before doing anything here, you need to understand one thing. TradeLocker is a trading platform and it is not a broker itself. That means you can't actually create a standalone TradeLocker account directly without connecting it to either a broker or a prop trading firm. So when you are over here, you need to pick a supported provider. TradeLocker currently supports brokers and the prop firms offering demo accounts, live trading and the funded challenges. So some of the brokers allow instant demo access without full verification. So over here, you can click on the option of start trading on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you can either pick a broker or you can pick a challenge. Then you can click on the option of get started right next to that particular broker that you have selected. Then you will be landed on this particular page where you need to provide your login credentials and then log in into your account. Now over here, in order to create your own demo account, you just have to click on the option of try demo on the top. And when you sign up here using your email address and by your password, you are going to see the inside interface of the TradeLocker, which is going to look something like this. From here as well, you can click on the option of pick a broker. You can pick a pro firm and you can also connect your broker pro firm account. And then you can basically log in into your account. So these are the updated steps to create the TradeLocker account in 2026. Thank you.